Have you ever felt like your closet has so much in it, you have no idea what to wear? Or maybe it's holding on to things that you used to wear, but no longer can fit into? Or perhaps it's from an old job that you used to have, or it's who you used to be. Today, I want to bring peace to my closet. It is filled with so much that I no longer need. And as we're getting ready to move, I don't want to pack, unpack, and try to find a place for everything and go through it there. I want to be able to move into that house knowing exactly what I have and put everything exactly where I want it and have it all organized. And then that way I could just have a peaceful moment as we come into that new house. I'm learning to ask, does this still fit in my life anymore? And not just with the clothes in my closet. It's with routines, commitments, expectations, things I think I should do, and even the old version of myself. So today, we're cleaning out my closet, but we're also going to talk about how we can let things go in our lives and bring some more peace to it. Okay, so for today, I am wearing a tank top so I can try some of the clothes on that I'm not quite sure if I want to keep them or not. I have a mirror over here so I can just check and see, is this something I love and something I want to keep? And if the answer is yes, I'm going to put it in my keep pile. If the answer is no, I'm going to put it in my donate pile. If the answer is I just don't know, then I'm going to put it into a maybe pile. And then if the answer is there's a hole in it and why would I ever wear that again, or I wouldn't want anyone else to wear, I'm going to put that in the trash pile. So here we go. Here are some lessons that I learned as I was cleaning my closet. Number 1, stop dressing for a past version of yourself. I think this is where decluttering can get surprisingly emotional. Because sometimes we're not holding on to the actual item, we're holding on to the person we were when we wore it. Maybe it belonged to a different career, a different season, a different body, a different lifestyle. Or maybe we bought it for the person we thought we were supposed to become. And I've decided I don't need my closet reminding me every morning of who I used to be or who I think I should be. I want to serve the woman I am today. That doesn't mean I'm throwing away my memories. It just means I don't have to keep everything from every chapter in order to appreciate that chapter. Number 2, but I paid money for it. This one got me. My sister and I actually were talking about this today. But I paid good money for this. And somehow we convince ourselves that getting rid of it means we wasted the money. But the money is already spent. Keeping something I don't use doesn't bring the money back. It just means I'm giving that purchase space in my closet too. So instead, I can donate it. Someone else can use it. And I can take the lesson with me instead of taking the item with me. That feels so much lighter. Number 3, I had 3 questions that I kept asking over and over as I was going through everything. I'm asking myself, do I actually wear it? Do I feel good when I wear it? Would I buy it again today? That last one is a good one. Because sometimes I look at something and think, it's perfectly fine, but if I saw it hanging in a store today, would I spend money on it? If the answer is no and I haven't worn it in forever, that tells me something. Number 4, don't let maybe become another closet. Now, I'm absolutely allowing myself a maybe pile because I don't think creating peace means forcing ourselves to make 500 decisions in one afternoon. But I'm giving the maybe pile a limit. I can come back to it once everything else is done. And usually once I see the things I really love hanging together, it becomes a lot easier to see what doesn't belong. Sometimes clarity comes from creating a little space first. And finally, number 5, peace doesn't mean that we always have to add something. I think that we are told over and over that we need to add something to our lives to bring peace. A new routine, a new product, a new organizational system, a new habit, something else to make our lives better. But I'm realizing sometimes peace comes from subtraction. One less thing to manage, one less expectation, one less commitment, one less pile, one less thing taking up space in our homes or in our minds. And that's something I've really been learning in this season of my life. I don't want to fill every space just because it's empty. I want to leave room for rest, room for joy, room for change, room for whatever God has next. Remember, this is about creating peace, not perfect. We are trying to just let some of these things go that we no longer need in our lives. And if you don't have time to do your whole entire closet, don't let that stop you. Do just a portion of it. I'm moving, so that gives me that perfect opportunity to get everything done, because it's gonna happen no matter what. I either do it now or I wait until moving day. So I'm trying to just get things done now. But you don't have to do that if you're not in this position. Just take one section and then maybe next week, do the next. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just start. I think it helps our brains to just let things go. We see the clarity in our closet, and all of a sudden we start to see things more clearly in our lives as well. So just one little area at a time. Today's words that I was thinking about the whole time I was doing this closet was to inspire and to encourage, but also delight. I was so excited to see that end product, and I hope that this encourages you and inspires you to want to do the same. Oh my goodness, I'm so happy. This makes me so happy. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I got rid of over 100 pieces of clothing from my closet. A lot of stuff that was hidden in there that I didn't even know I had. So I got rid of a lot of stuff. But this is all the things that I wear throughout the year, and I did keep some dresses, even though I don't wear them often. We do go out and we do have different events that we go to, so it's nice to have something to wear, and I have lots of different options. Now, it's not perfect by any means. I could probably go through it again and get rid of even more, but if there are things in there that I don't wear in the next 6 months, I'll just go ahead and get rid of them. A beginning though, I'm so happy. This feels so much better. And it's not just that my closet is organized, but it's the intentionality behind it. These are the things I want to bring with me to our next chapter. And maybe that's a question we can ask outside of our closets as well. What do I want to carry into my next season? And what do I want to leave behind? Creating a peace-filled life isn't about making everything perfect. Sometimes it's just about creating a little more room for the things that matter. Today, we started that right here in my closet. Until next week.
Walking the dog.